How to self-install Optimum Internet. First, find the coax wall outlet. Look for a coax cable outlet in your home. It looks like a round cable connection usually found near a TV, in a living room, in the bedroom, near existing cable equipment. This is where the internet signals enters the modem. Step 2. Connect the coax cable. Screw one end into the wall outlet, screw the other end into the back of the Optimum gateway or modem. Tighten it with your fingers, and make sure the connection is snug, but don't over tighten it. Step 3. Connect the power. Plug the power adapter into the gateway, plug it into a wall outlet, and wait for several minutes. The lights will begin flashing while the modem connects to Optimum's network. Step 4. Wait for the lights. Most Optimum gateways need several minutes to fully initialize. Look for solid connection lights, online light, and Wi-Fi light. Step 5. Activate the service. Optimum typically asks you to scan the QR code included with the kit, use the setup link, and follow activation instructions. You may also activate through install.optimum.net. You'll need your account number, order information, and activation details. Step 6. Connect to Wi-Fi. Look at the label on the gateway. You'll find your Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. Then open Wi-Fi settings on your device, select the network, and enter the password. You should now be online. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.